So today I'm going to show you how to create an arc effect on your text in Photoshop. So right now I have that effect to a small degree at the top here with these words, and I want that on the bottom as well. So in order to get there, it's very simple. You need to select your type tool here and then select all of the words that you want this applied to. And you're going to go up to your top menu, and there is this little warp tool at the top with the T and then an arc. Select that. And here you will get your style options. So this will warp it in the way that we're looking for. We can select any of these for the arc. We can also do an arch or any other really cool effect, and you can play around and see what you like. But right now, I'm actually looking for this effect. But when I select arc, it isn't in the direction I want. And to get it into the right direction, I need the bend to be in a negative number. So if I start to pull it into these digits, I definitely am getting the effect that I want. So I'm going to apply that. But before that, I just want to show you, if you select a different arc, like arc lower, it will affect the words differently. So if I go here, arc lower, kind of bend it, the letters themselves will be affected to different degrees. So if you're doing that and you notice it's not looking right, you may need to just be in regular arc and bending it in the negative. So there we go. Okay, I'm gonna pull it into the picture more. And that is basically it. So I hope this helped you guys. Please watch my playlist on Photoshop. I've got lots of tips and tricks, and just join me as we explore and learn.